I needed a viral launch for my new product, but I hate designing ads. I just found a tool that took my boring competitor data and turned it into a scroll-stopping Instagram carousel and a high-converting ad in under 3 minutes. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing this tool with you, and it's called Vengage. So I'm going to be sharing how you can take that and create a carousel post or a high-converting ad if you are someone that doesn't like sitting down and creating those boring ads. So without further ado, let's hop straight into today's video. Let's go. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm on the official website of Vengage right now. So I'm logged in, and as you can see, it's a clean, modern dashboard. So there's no complications. You're not going to get confused, and even a beginner can get around this dashboard. So that's the first thing that I see when I log into the dashboard. You can see your designs. You can have different templates, as you can see right here, all of the designs. You can have team designs, team templates. You can manage your brand and manage your team all from this one dashboard. So we can create presentations, proposals, infographics, business proposals, and then here's a tool we are going to be using today, and that is the AI design tool. So I'm going to start off with an AI Instagram carousel post. So I'm going to click this button, and as you can see, it's going to take me here to what will you create today, and then I'm going to say social media. So as you can see right here, you have auto, you have banner, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, and Carousel. And I'm going to say a Carousel post. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste in a prompt. So Instagram Carousel comparing my new digital product, crypto tracker versus leading competitors. Slide 1, slide 2, slide 3. There we go. I have the tone as well. And then all I have to do is simply click this button that says generate carousel. So it's literally going to take a couple of seconds. It's going to find a template. Boom. Already found the template, loading, and it's going to evaluate the design, and it's going to create it within seconds from doing that. So you don't have to go and sit and actually design these boring ads or posts. You can literally put it into an AI and bada bing, bada boom. There you go. Okay guys, so as you can see, it just created it within seconds, and it's not just one singular page or post. As I mentioned, it's a carousel one, so we can go through all of the different pages, as you can see right there. Then you can also go to the icons and you can generate the icons. So I can chop and change some of these generic check marks to our different style for our brand and get our correct check marks in there. Then also you can use the brand if you want to use the AI to put in some of your brand details and some of your brand styles. I can do that, and I can change some of the wording to a green color for our brand. So that was enough of showing you how easy and simple it is. So now let me actually go and talk about more what Venngage actually is. So as you can see, I'm back on the whole page. I'm just going to tell you a little bit more about Venngage so you can have a better idea for who this is suitable for. Okay guys, so Venngage is a platform with over 100 plus free AI design tools that can help you turn your dry data into viral social media ads. So this is built for creators and marketers who don't want to spend their time or waste their time on building ads and viral social media posts that don't actually look good and go viral. So you can now literally put it into Venngage, give it a few seconds, type in that prompt, and you will have a viral social media post ready to go without wasting that time. So if you're a marketer or a creator, this is perfect for you. So whether you want social media posts or ads, you can sign up today completely for free, and you'll get access to 40 plus free AI tools completely for free that you can use. And keep in mind, every single week they add a new AI tool, so that helps you stay in front of trends, and that will help you get new ways to engage with your audience every single week because you'll have a new AI tool that you can test. So now I'm going to go back to design AI, as you can see right here. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to create an ad. So as you can see right here, we have all of this, and I'm going to say social media again, or you can say design, whatever you want to create. Boom. As you can see, documents, we have proposals as well, charts, and then your HR. So I'm going to go and I'm going to create an ad for Facebook. So we are going to create an ad right now. So I'm just going to go here and paste in my prompt. As you can see, Facebook ad creator for a launch. I'm going to click generate design, and it is going to find the template for me. And once again, it will do it within a couple of seconds. It's going to There we go. Look at the design. It's going to show it. And then I will show you the AI image generation feature for the background. Okay guys, so as you can see, it just created the Facebook ad for me literally within a couple of seconds. So what I'm going to do is I want to replace the stock photo. So I'm going to go to AI tools, generate images, and then I'm going to paste in my prompt, which is high fidelity 3D abstract tech background. So I can do that. I can create it, and then you can literally replace it with this stock image. So the background will actually look better and more engaging. Okay guys, as you can see, there are some different backgrounds that we can now replace and use. I can also highlight the heading or the title and use the improved text feature to make it a bit more punchier and to make sure that it will get a higher click-through rate. And last but not least, I'm going to show you this feature. If you go here to File, you can do an accessibility check. So you want to make sure that this is not only good on desktop, but that the text is readable and the fonts look good on a mobile device. So that will actually check the fonts and the sizes to make sure that you can still read it on a very small screen, and it will make sure that everything is good to go for mobile devices as well. Guys, so once you have done that and you've done the accessibility check and it tells you that the price text is too small, you can just literally click fix and it will automatically fix it and make it bigger for you so it can actually be read on a mobile device. So you can then export these as a PNG, as you can see right there, and you will have your social media carousel post or ad ready to go within a couple of minutes. Don't let your launch flop because of bad design. Click the link below to get access to Vengage. Also, use the code 50OFF now to get 50% off your annual premium or business plan. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss a single video we upload, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.